Add the tomatoes to the pan and saute them briefly. This dish tastes even better after you finish making it. Tomatoes can be stir-fried or used in soup. The aroma is very distinctive. When the food is served, adults and children alike scramble to eat it. You don't need much to make this dish. You only need 2 tomatoes. Just wash the tomatoes thoroughly. Then, do it like I did. Cut it into slices about head thick. These tomatoes are packed with vitamins. Fiber and minerals are also important, especially if there are elderly people in the house. If you have young children, you should eat this regularly. After cutting the tomatoes, prepare a bowl of regular flour. Wear gloves to clean the cut surface of the tomato. Then dip it in flour. Doing it this way will make it taste much better. And for better adhesion of the flour, prepare a few more fresh eggs. Give it to me this morning, then put it all in a bowl, everyone. When cracking eggs at home, don't crack them against the rim of the bowl. When you hit the eggshell against the rim of the bowl, it will easily fall out. It was very difficult to pick them up, wasn't it? Just tap on the surface. Many people say that eggs have a rather strong fishy smell. Just a little tip. Add a few drops of white vinegar and then whisk. It's all good, don't worry about it being sour. When the temperature rises, put it in the frying pan while it's cooking. There. The temperature will rise high. The vinegar will evaporate completely, and the eggs will be soft, juicy, and very delicious. Beat the eggs and then pour them into the bowl of flour. Seasoning is very simple. Just add a little salt and pepper. That's good. Add a little more seasoning, then stir. Add it to clean water little by little. Stir until it thickens like yogurt. Then add a little cooking oil. Doing so will make them crispier and tastier when fried. Heat the oil until hot, then add the tomatoes and coat them with flour. Dip both sides evenly and wait for the oil to heat up, like this. Wash the tomatoes and dip them lightly in the flour. Just rinse and gently wipe off the powder from the edge of the bowl. Then put it in the frying pan. After adding everything, if possible, sprinkle more on top. A little white sesame and black sesame. Beautiful. The color is just right and smells nice. Fry over medium-low heat. Don't turn the flame up high. It's on fire. 1. If the side is yellow, flip it over. Fry the other side. Fry until golden brown on both sides. You can pick them out now, everyone. You can buy tomatoes later. Don't just stir fry. Or you can stew it to make tomato pie. This way, the meal will be ready in a few minutes. It's both delicious and nutritious. I'll definitely give it a try. Oh, it's so hot. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, extremely delicious. Try it at home.